The S&P BSE Sensex has seen a good run thus far in CY23. However, as the monsoon season starting from June-July to September sets in, there are emerging risks of less than optimal rainfall due to El Nino. Analysts believe a subpar monsoon is the biggest near-term worry for the markets, which they have not yet fully priced in.
Markets have run up almost 3,000 points in the last few weeks, and some correction or consolidation is due. With this backdrop in mind, traders will find El Nino worries too hot to handle. We believe that markets are ripe for some healthy correction, and El Nino could be that trigger.
According to reports, June rainfall over most parts of India are likely to be below normal. The first 12 days of this monsoon season has already seen nearly 60% less than normal rains. This, therefore, can rekindle fears of a rise in food and fuel inflation, said experts. Dharmakirti Joshi, chief economist at CRISIL for instance, says the risks from El Nino remain high and these could impact the upcoming kharif crop and food fuel inflation. While the IMD projects monsoon to be normal overall, its temporal and spatial distribution will critically affect food output this fiscal year, he says. At the BOSES too, analysts highlight sectors that are likely to be impacted by poor rainfall.
Companies from sectors like FMCG, tractors, two-wheelers, fertilizers and dairy are negatively impacted by poor rainfall. But export-oriented sectors like pharma and IT could be a good bet if the monsoon disappoints, since they have limited impact from a poor monsoon.
That said, in the last 2 decades, there have been 4 El Nino years in India, 2002, 2004, 2009 and 2015. Barring 2015 when the S&P BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 slipped up to 5% during the calendar year, the markets on all other occasions have been in positive territory, data showed. Overall, analysts believe El Nino could play a spoilsport for the markets in the near term. The spatial distribution of rains will also have to be monitored over the next few months to assess the full impact. Today, on June 13, markets will watch out US May inflation figure, foreign flows, rupee movement and crude oil prices.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She's working her way to the corner office. Business Standard.